Hi guys, so today what I'm going to be showing you is how to send songs from Instagram directly to your Spotify. Okay, so first of all, of course, you're going to need to open up your Instagram app and let's see if this guy has a song out here, quite a cool song. So you're just going to click that and there the option actually comes up there. You can add to your Spotify playlist. So you click that, and then if like myself you haven't linked your Spotify as yet, you're gonna click that, and there you go guys, and that's how it is, that's how it works. It's been added. I can just show you guys where it will appear under my Spotify very quick. Yeah, it goes up, usually it'll go up under your like songs. So yeah guys, that's how you can link your Instagram to your Spotify. Quite a simple feature, but it's useful sometimes. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more.